Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on premium acid washed boiled tussar. A contrast pallu and blouse piece here, light blue color with zari lines, and the same blue is given for blouse piece here. Contrast color is given for the borders also. The body color here is a brown with light peach mix, and we have beautiful deep brown color used for the leaves and twigs, and we also have the colorful flowers here. Excellently hand painted saree on tussar when it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with beautiful contrast concept. It's an acid washed boiled tussar fabric, lightweight and beautiful one with grey pallu and blouse piece. The pallu have beautiful zari lines. The same grey is given for the borders in both sides of the saree. And the saree here is in beautiful pink with the deep pink used for the twigs and leaf pattern, and hand painted done using blue and yellow color. Flowers are very different, beautiful. Combination is also very elegant with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful jari border tussar saree, acid wash, pure tussar. This is the pallu, a hand painted pallu. You can see a beautiful design in it. Lotus design, hand painted. Excellently with magenta pink and beautiful red as well as green stems. And we have same running color blouse piece with jari borders. The color of the saree is in green, a mild green color. Very beautiful color. The whole saree is in silk running color. You can see the vertical hand painting designs in lotus. Excellently painted, very mild and very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Very beautiful, different modern hand painting design on tussar. Soft acid wash tussar. Here the saree is in the shade of purple and yellow, and we have beautiful bird sitting pattern in the chest portion. Very elegant, realistic, very beautiful hand painting work. Elegantly done with zari borders, and the saree have a very different lavender color pallu. Pallu have zari lines, and the same lavender is the blouse piece here. Excellent one, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with 1 inch zari border concept. Very elegant pallu, yellow pallu it is with black painting, design floral one with zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece with one side red borders. Very elegant color, and here a kind of tie and dye concept is given. You can see on the yellow base a red color is given. Vertically you can see the lines as well as dotted version, and we also have beautiful black flowers, hand painted. Different saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful hand painting design done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. The elegant pallu here, a peacock design pallu. You see a very big peacock. The saree comes to the chest of the saree. Beautiful one. The color choices are very pretty, basically in peacock concept. You can see the face and features of the peacock. Very beautiful. And the same blue is given for the blouse piece with both sides border. It's a small elegant border. It also adds a beauty to the saree. And the saree is in a very plain version, a maroon color, completely maroonish red, and we have the blue in the borders. Elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant, soft, acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have a very different pallu, a beetroot color given in the edge of the saree, and the blue is also given with stripes pattern which is done using cream color, and we also have zari lines in the saree. And this is the blouse piece. It is a contrast blouse piece in blue, light sky blue color, and the saree here is very different. The top portion is completely in the beetroot pink with the checked pattern, a curvy pattern given in the cream, and the lower half is completely a stripes pattern with multi-colors. You can see yellow, green and blue colors alternatively given all over the saree in a stripes pattern. Very different one, almost a partly, again the beetroot portion comes, only in the fleets portion the stripes pattern comes. So it's a partly pallu saree, with authentic silk mark.